Movements in animals. Human body and its movements. Actions: bending arms at the elbow and leg at the knee, stretching arms sideways, chewing food, etc. Movements are done with the help of muscles and bones that lie beneath our skin. Bones and muscles help us to perform different movements and activities. Muscles. Some fleshy structures move beneath the skin, usually around the shoulder and hips. These tender fleshy structures are called muscles. The muscles bulges due to contraction. When contracted, muscles become shorter, stiffer and thicker. Muscles movement. Expansion and contraction of muscle makes the bone move. Muscles always work in pairs. To move the bone in the opposite direction, the relaxed muscle contracts and the first one relaxes. Thus, two muscles have to work together to move a bone. We can't open and fold fingers without moving muscles. Tendons. Above the elbow, beneath the knee, near the ankle, the muscles have round, white, rope-like fibers at the ends that connect them to the bones. These fibrous structures are called tendons. Tendons join muscles to bones. Bones. The different bones of different body parts combine together to form a single structure. This structure is called the skeleton. Ligaments. Muscles are joined to the bones to help them move. In the same way, two bones are joined together in a special way of fibers. These fibers are called ligaments. Ligaments join one bone to other bone. Jawbone. Ask your friend to open his mouth and move his lower jaw up and down as well as sides. The lower jawbone is joined to the skull. The joint between upper jaw and skull is fixed joint. Shoulder bone. There are two bones protruding from the shoulder called shoulder bones. The ribs. Ribs are bent and join the chest bone and backbone together to form a box. This is called the rib cage. Some important internal parts of are lie protected inside the cage. Backbone. A long structure running down the middle of the back is called the backbone. The small ones that make up this backbone are called vertebra. The spinal cord passes through the vertebra of the backbone. Pelvic girdle. They are just below the waist. There are similarly shaped bones on both sides of our body. This is called pelvic girdle. This structure is made of pelvis bones. They enclose the portion of our body below the stomach. Skull. The skull is made up of many bones joined together. It encloses and protects the brain. The joints between the skull bones are fused. They are also called fixed joints. flexible bones, cartilage. There are hard parts made up of a structure called cartilage. This is also a bone but flexible. Cartilage present in rib and sternum between the vertebra of the spinal cord, etc. Ears and nose are also bones, but they are soft and flexible. Different types of joints. There are different types of joints in our body to help us to carry out different movements and activities. Ball and socket bones. A joint made by fitting a ball into a socket is called ball and socket joint. This joint is present between the shoulder blades by which our arm works. Place a fused bulb inside the half shell of a coconut and rotate it. Hinge joint. Objects like doors and windows are attached by the hinges in our houses. These hinges are present at elbow and knee. We cannot bend these joints in the opposite direction. Backbone. There is tender and flexible cartilage between the vertebra of the backbone. The cartilage between the vertebra helps in rotating the backbone in different directions. Neck joint. This joint helps us to move our head up, down and side to side. Neck joint is a type of joint called pivotal joint. Fixed joints. Some joints between bones in our head can't move. Such joints are called fixed joints. Example, the joint between the upper jaw with the head. It is a fixed joint. We cannot move the upper jaw. Locomotion. Locomotion means movement. This is an important function in every living organism. Various locomotions in the animal kingdom. Locomotion in fish. The body of the fish is streamlined. The shape is such that it allows the fish to move in water easily. Skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. While swimming, muscles make the front part of the body swing towards one side, while the tail and fins swing its body towards the opposite side. This creates a jerk and pushes the body forward. A series of such jerks helps the fish swim forward. Locomotion in birds. Birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. Birds can fly because their bodies are well suited to fly. They are hollow and light. The bones of the hind limbs are modified to hold the muscles of flight, which is used to move the wings up and down. Locomotion in snakes. Snakes have a long backbone and several muscles. The snake's body curves into many loops. Each loop gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. This helps the snake move forward very fast. Locomotion in snail. Snail found in gardens. It carries a rounded structure on its back. When it starts moving, a thick structure comes out of an opening in the shell. The thick structure is its foot, made of strong muscle. The wavy motion of its foot is the reason why the snail moves slowly.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.